your Westerville Library Youth Librarian, sharing one of my favorite magnet activities adapted to our Baby Shark story time. So I have a cookie sheet, fantastic for any kind of magnet play you might want to do at home. And on our cookie sheet, we have a special item you might have in your home. That's right, we have a bathtub on our cookie sheet. And we are going to be meeting some very special friends. So, let's see who's coming out to play. That's right, we found Baby Shark. Baby Shark is gonna come play in our bathtub, and we're gonna see if we can get all of Baby Shark's friends to come play along with us. So to do this, we are going to be calling all of those friends to come. So we'll count how many sharks we have in our bathtub. Right now we just have one. And then they will be going for a swim. So we'll show off our best swimming. And then they are going to have some other friends come visit. So they are going to go knock, knock. You can clap those hands. So knock, knock. And then they're going to be splashing. So you're going to be patting your lap. We'll go clap, clap, knock, knock. Splash, splash, come on in. And we're going to count until we can get 5 sharks in our bathtub. All right, so just a reminder, we will be swimming, we will be clapping for those knocks, and then we'll be patting our laps for those splashes. And waving for everyone to come in. Here we go. We have just one shark. One shark in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Let's see who's gonna join us. It looks like we have a pink shark joining us. Is that Mommy Shark? Mommy Shark's gonna jump right in the bathtub with Baby Shark. How many sharks do we have now? 1, 2. Here we go. 2 sharks in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Let's see who joins our bath next. Oh, this is a fun shark. This shark is blue. Is that Daddy Shark coming to join our bath today? Let's put Daddy Shark in the bathtub. How many sharks do we have now? 1, 2, 3 sharks in the bathtub. Here we go. 3 sharks in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Let's see if we can get another shark to come. Ooh, we do. We have a green shark. Is that Grandpa Shark coming to join us? Great job. How many sharks do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 sharks in our bathtub. Let's do our rhyme one last time to see if we can get up to 5 sharks. 4 sharks in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. We do. We have 1 more shark coming. Do you know who it might be? Let's take a look. That's right. It's Grandma Shark. Grandma Shark is going to join us in our bathtub. How many sharks did we end up with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharks.